How to accept all suggestions in Google Docs. So in this video tutorial we're going to learn about. So guys, let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so let me open Google Docs first. Okay guys, so here I am on my browser. So first I just log in with my account and I have to go in Google Docs. So here you will see all your suggestion, you will see all your suggestion like this. So you can accept one by one if you have few, but if you have lots of suggestions, so maybe you have required to accept all at time. If you want to accept all to save time, then there is one tool, then you can use and accept all your suggestions in Google Docs at once. Okay, so I will show you. Just open your docs, go to the tools, and here under you can see the option called review suggestion edits, or you can use these shortcut keys, and here you can see you can accept all suggestions, and you can check here all you rejected suggestion or all you accepted suggestions, and from here you can accept all suggested edit. Okay, or you can check the all suggestion like this. You have to click down arrow or upper arrow, and you can see the all suggestion, and you can accept from here, or you can accept all four, or you can also reject all. If you want to reject all, you can reject it. Okay, so if you like this video, please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.